Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out ONDO's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right around, I believe, this area, and I said as long as we are not taking this low about 94.8 cents, we can be optimistic and say the low is in. And as you can see, we definitely took this low, and I said it also in the previous update. If we take this one, okay, our move down can continue a little bit more in order to take this low as well, about 91.5 cents. So unfortunately, we did continue our move on the downside, but I don't think right now we should be completely bearish in ONDO yet, because I can still find some sort of a correction into our wave 4. And let's actually go maybe on a less busy chart. Let's say, yeah, sure, from Coinbase. Okay, where is the highest high? It's right in here, about $1.05. And off of it, let's just go around here. If you want to say that we're gonna have our final top around this area, okay, off of the highest high in this region, you need to be able to find a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, and inside of our wave 1, 3, and 5, we need to be able to find also 5 waves on the downside. Excuse me, let's just take this one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change the colors to maybe like white. Sure. Another 5 into our wave 3, and this can be our final 5 wave into wave 5. And for wave 2 and 4, we can have different counts. Let's say like, sure, ABC into 4, a flat, and a WXY, a deep correction up into our wave 2. Now let's go on the live chart and see, can we find something like that or not? Okay, even if you want to be pessimistic in ONDO, I think you can argue maybe this is a wave 1 correction for wave 2, maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into wave 3 correction for 4, another move on the downside into wave 5. Also, I think we talked about this in the previous update as well. This can be definitely another 5 wave on the downside as well. And well, okay, so far we are only having 2 sets of 5 waves, and these can be the sub waves for a correction structure, most likely and hopefully in ONDO in form of an A, B, C zigzag. On the other hand, if you want to be like really pessimistic, I guess you can say this is 1, this is 2, big move down into wave 3, and maybe right now we are having a correction for 4, and after it we're going to get another move down into wave 5. The point that I'm trying to make in this, what you want to see in ONDO in order to be optimistic in the short term, is a move on the upside starting from the current point. Generally, I'm going to say before taking this low about 80.5 cents, in order to take this important high about 99.5 cents. Why? Because at that point, I don't think you can argue that this structure is going to be an impulse anymore, and instead we can talk bullish with a lot of confidence and say this is indeed just an ABC zigzag, and from this region our move up is going to continue, and we are going to have some more impulses in order to at least take the highest side in here about $1.05. But I think we can absolutely go quite a bit higher than that. So let's have a quick conclusion. What you do not want to see in ONDO is starting from the current point like a consolidation pattern, maybe even a triangle, and then another move down, because that is going to kind of suggest maybe we are having an impulse, and this point is the beginning of a new downtrend in ONDO. And especially overall, we shouldn't really take this important low about, let's say, like 80.5 cents. Why? Because overall at that point we're gonna say in ONDO, whatever move on the upside that we are having, starting from the lowest low all the way down here about 60.5 cents, is just a correction. I'm gonna say possibly in form of an ABC, maybe even a WXY. Generally, again, some sort of a correction and not an impulse, indicating from here our move down is going to continue, and more likely than not we are going to set new lows. So again, you do not want to see one more move down in the short term in ONDO, and ideally we want to see a move up starting from the current point in order to take this important high about 99.5 cents, because that is going to kind of confirm that for like very short term at least we are looking optimistic. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in ONDO's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.